Zach, this is an interesting property. Tell me about what we got going on here.
This is a 100-year-old farmhouse that has been on this property in one family's possession, and they had a tree fell on it during a storm, really big tree. So what we're doing, we're just trying to figure out what to do with it. We're going to be able to restore the house and do an addition on the back and update everything in the house. We're taking everything down to the studs inside, redoing the wiring, redoing the HVAC. Ducts are currently running underneath the house, which is okay, but we want to relocate that package unit. Actually, we're going to put it on this side out of the sun and then run ducts into the attic, and then run all the plumbing that's underneath into the attic as well.
Yeah. What an interesting project, man.
There's a lot going on here. We're trying not to change anything that doesn't need to be changed. We're going to wrap some of the columns in front, rewrap those, but the front of the house is going to stay in this state. We're going to keep even the siding that's on the porch, but all of the asbestos siding is coming down. We're going to, and then add on the back, pop the right side out a little bit, and then add on to the back of the house.
That is super cool. So this would just be like an auxiliary home?
Yes, like secondary family home.
Yeah.
That needs some TLC. We're reusing all the windows that we can, and we're probably going to have to make matching windows because I don't think we can match these wood windows. But
probably not. I doubt Home Depot has those in stock.
We're going to probably have to make those, but we've begun pulling those out. We took there was old metal lath and concrete skirting that went around the whole outside that we've removed right now to try to get a look at the foundation. We're going to reinforce the foundation as we work, adding new foundation in the back, but reinforcing the existing. It's not terrible. It's made really, it's not up to code, but it has stood the test of time for sure.
I don't think they had many codes in 100 years ago.
This is 100% farmer house here, which is wonderful. I mean, we want to do it, and that's part of it. Some of the floorboards, as we look inside, are 16 feet long, and they just don't make it like that
Holy
anymore.
smokes, 16 foot long.
So we're going to preserve everything that we can, and we've actually been lucky enough to find reclaimed flooring that should match pretty closely to what we have. So it should be.
This is a little bit of a departure from your normal new builds and stuff.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
This is not. I mean, it's a hybrid. I mean, it's a restoration, and then new construction, of course.
Yeah.
But we're having to be very careful.
All right, let's check out the inside. Wow, super cool.
Yeah. A lot of that. Everything that's pink tagged. We're saving from doors, windows, chandeliers.
Pink, yeah.
We're going to rewire those chandeliers, but those are very important. And I think that's, as far as a business owner and a company, that's something we really like doing, is listening to our customers and finding out what they want to do, and following those guidelines and making sure we don't mess anything up in the process. Most of these front two rooms should not be changed much. We're going to again take all the drywall out, add new plugs, wiring, modernize it, but we're going to replace this floor here. We've got some termite damage or something in there, but we'll do some stuff like that. But if you can tell, all these boards in this room are full length boards, and they just don't make them like that anymore.
Wow. No.
But we'll come in, strip all these down, refinish them.
I wonder where they would have got this wood back then too.
It's attached directly to the flooring or to the frame underneath too.
Yeah.
We think. Some of this will change. We're going to reconfigure a little bit of this space, add a bathroom in here.
Okay. Yeah.
And then the kitchen, as you go back, you'll see, I don't think we can salvage much of this floor, but this is where the damage happened.
The tree.
So all new cabinets, modern cabinets, they're going to like them a whole lot better.
Yeah.
You won't have the grills from the HVAC on the floor. We're going to remove those. Again, run normal ductwork overhead.
Yeah. Wow.
But
it looks like this will take a little bit of time too.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
We're planning
That's a
on
big project.
Planning on a year maybe. You know, just how things go. We'll get it done faster though.
Dining room, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah, it's the little back dining area.
Looks like this was all an add-on at some point in time.
It
as
was,
well.
yeah, right about where I'm standing. If you look here, we have the old siding. We're going to pull this off. Some other things I'll show you in the bathroom, and then the siding is tongue and groove. I think on the outside, on the back, we're gonna salvage that for use as wall coverings, accent walls.
Oh, cool.
We were just walking and finding that out yesterday. This is the kind of stuff here that we're gonna save this under here to use. We think it's gonna run pretty far along the wall, so we'll be able to use that for wall coverings.
Yeah.
There, I just messed it up.
You talking about wall coverings on the interior?
Interior, yep.
Yeah.
Just accent walls.
So was this room primary for the house?
Yes. I think this is just a this might be a bedroom.
Yeah.
Yeah, one of the original bedrooms. Have an original bathroom here. One of those nice big hallways.
Oh yeah,
Front
there's
entry.
a big bathroom in there. Yeah.
Front living room, yeah.
Yeah, love these tiles.
Yeah.
I'm surprised they're not pink or green.
And I think that's newer. We're saving the sinks and faucets and things.
Yeah, nice heater in the bathroom, keep it warm.
Yeah, I had one of those when I was a kid.
Yeah, my grandmother had one of those as well in her house for sure.
Some of the wall coverings in here we're going to try to salvage in the closets.
Yeah.
Just because it's, kind of cool in these closets too. Here's your old duct, your AC, AC return air.
Yeah.
Just some holes. So we offer a little bit more sealed system. We still have a modern digital thermostat here, but the unit is fine. It's a package unit, so it's not what I would typically find in a residential.
I guess in this house it'd have to be pretty custom because it's not like they had air conditioning back then.
Right, yeah, it was all retrofitted. I think that's why they went with that and ran everything underneath because it was easy. There's just not enough space yet, and we'll have to do a lot of that work, but it's the time to do it.
Yeah, it is. I'm excited to see how this one progresses. We're going to have to do a bunch more videos.
Yeah, I'm excited about this.
Pretty amazing looking.
Well, matching the old with the new is going to be a challenge, but we're going to do the best we can. I think they're really going to like what we put together.
Yeah. It's fascinating how high the ceilings are, because in this age of houses, you usually don't see it this tall, do you?
Well, you got to think, no air conditioning, so your air conditioning system was actually windows above your doors, and that's why they're high, so you keep the heat up there and get a nice flow through your house with these big windows.
That is cool.
Right. Yeah, these are very high ceilings.
Yeah. Awesome, man. Well, I look forward to seeing what comes next with this one.
Thanks.